Talking, of course, about the opioid crisis here in Canada, which is nothing short of an absolute tragedy, especially here in BC. First thing this morning, I got to do a ride-along with the Vancouver Police Department, accompanied by Minister Sajjan, as all of you know, isn't just our Minister of Defence now, but is a proud former member of the Vancouver Police Department, to see firsthand the impact that the opioid crisis is having on the downtown east side, on the people who live there. The impacts have been devastating. Families ripped apart, communities forever altered, loved ones lost too soon. We've been meeting with and listening to Canadians across the country for many months on this, including the recent Big City Mayor's task force. And we've taken real, concrete action to tackle this issue head on. This is a crisis that seems for most Canadians to be very far away. Something that's limited to certain tougher parts of town, to the West Coast, but we are seeing a spread of opioids across the country, and we're seeing it spread far and wide across socioeconomic levels and across communities. We need to come together as a country to help our most vulnerable, to recognize the challenges faced day in and day out by drug users, by people who are victims of addiction and mental health problems, and we need to do more as a society to help them. I am happy to say that I had a great conversation with Premier Clark about this last night, and we talked about how we're going to be able to work further together on this. I've spoken with a number of big city mayors, including Mayor Robertson here in Vancouver, about how we can do more. And I think it's really important for all Canadians to know that this is something that we cannot continue to ignore. We cannot continue to stigmatize. We need to start addressing this as the real societal health problem, is the real emergency that this actually is, as it spreads across our country and our communities.